but it won't send power to crank it over.
Well, let's bypass the Pyro fuse.
Let's do that. All the regular subscribers will know exactly what this is, but it sits here. Manufacturers like to put it in loads of different places, but luckily this one is in a good place. When the airbags blow, it breaks a fuse here, which stops power going to the starter motor, but we can bypass it. All this here, all the power is running along here, and these are all to the body electrics, but this part here going across to there is for the starter motor. And because that part's broken, it won't send power to the starter motor. So all we're gonna do is bridge it, because that's how we roll. So now I'm disconnecting the Pyro fuse. You can see it here. And behind the blue cap will be a break in the metal. And all I'm gonna do now is take the wire which goes to the starter motor and bridge it over onto the live line which goes to the battery.
That is dodgy as anything.
That's legit. 10 out of 10.
Thanks.
I think you should just leave it like that.
Yeah, it looks OEM.
Tony, do you think it's going to start?
We can't blame you.
Yeah.
You think it's going to start?
Yeah.
Yeah, first time.
Yeah.
I feel like a normal car would start right now.
But a McLaren. No.
If there's a leak, it's going to piss out somewhere, innit? So we'll just try to switch it off straight away.
Okay. In all seriousness, after I press this button, it's going to decide how expensive this build's going to be. Because if it does rattle and it doesn't start, or the engine's broke, then it's going to be so much more expensive. But I'm fingers crossed. Fingers crossed the engine's good, and then all we've got to do is repair everything else.
I've just checked the turbo. The turbo's good, so.
Here we go in.
Ignition is on. Any oil leaking out? Any fuel?
No.
No, the mechanics have said.
Everyone
no.
ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Tony, are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm just scared I'm going to get an airbag in the face or something.
Oh yeah, I'm going to stand back.
Here we go.
There's nothing happening.
No.
Try
Oh.
pumping the brake pedal so you can get a bit more pressure on it. Whoa!
Oh, that didn't sound good.
Whoa!
Oh.
It's coming out oil.
Something's coming out. Stop.
I can't stop
Out.
it. It's
Get the
can't,
battery off.
Oh my, it's going mental.
I can't stop it. What oil's coming out? Yeah. Oh no.
Oh no.
Where was the oil coming out from?
That was not a good time to start the car.
Oh no. Yeah, it started. It did start. It started up, and then turned off, and then I wasn't doing anything. It kept trying to start up.
It was loving it, wasn't it?
It was like yeah, and then no. Where's the oil come from?
Engine.
Oh, that is not good.